We're going to talk today about how to use a thickness planer, also known as a planer. Those two terms are interchangeable. This is a fairly standard planer. It happens to be made by DeWalt. And the idea is the planer has a flat bed that runs the length of the machine. And then the upper portion moves up and down so that you can plane different thicknesses. So there's a wheel over here and it just goes up, and so you can put thicker boards through, and it goes down for your particular thickness. So it has a gauge here, and you originally set the thickness to just so that the blades will just touch the top of the board. And on this one it's indicated by this red indicator, and if I go any lower, you see it's showing that it's pushing on the blade. So you want it down kind of low like that. Now the idea here is that we're going to feed this through, and what's inside of this is there's a roller, a front roller and a rear roller. And they sit tight on this board, excuse me, and hold it flat against the bed. As the board passes through, the rollers push it through, and then there's a rotating drum that has planer blades on it, and those actually come around and take wood off the surface. So it's a thickness planer because driving it through here, we're going to change the thickness of this piece of wood. The other thing that's very important is that it will make the thickness of this absolutely even the whole way through, because it's sitting on a flat bed and it's making it a uniform thickness. So you need to use dust extraction with a machine like this because there's a lot of chips coming off of this from the wood. They go out this 4-inch port, and then I have a dust collector that I'll turn on that will operate it. So let's run this through and get an idea of what it looks like and sounds like. So first I'll turn on the dust extractor, and now I'll turn on the machine. So now we have a perfectly uniform thickness of the board. And then I can just keep doing this, successively taking a little bit more at a time off in multiple passes through here until I get the correct thickness. So again, you have to understand that in milling, in getting wood prepared for constructing, particularly furniture or high quality craftsmanship, the wood has to be flat and square. And so what we're doing here is we're flattening this surface and making the thickness exactly even across the whole board so that you have two parallel planes, the top and the bottom of the board. That's very important. Now something can happen called snipe. And snipe occurs when it goes off of the one roller, the rear roller, and butts in, and then it's only has the blades and the front roller to go through. And what tends to happen is the pressure is taken off the board and the back comes up a little bit, and the plane blades make a divot, a gully across the board. We want to prevent that, and there's two different ways you can prevent that. One is you can feed another board of the same thickness behind this board. So the second board will go under the roller as this one comes out, and therefore it will go all the way through and you won't have any snipe on this first board. But you still have the second board and it'll snipe for the same reason. So another way to prevent it is as the board is exiting, you saw it come out over here, I put my hand underneath the front of that board and I support it. I actually push up slightly with very light pressure, and that keeps the back of the board from coming up and sniping. So let's demonstrate that. I'll do that again and you can watch me do that. So we'll take just a little more thickness on this same board. So once again, bear with me while I turn on the dust collector and then turn on the planer. So by doing that, I have eliminated the snipe because I kept the back of the board down with upward pressure of my hand at the end. So to review, this thickness planer adjusts the thickness of a board so that the top surface and the bottom surface are exactly parallel to one another and exactly flat. And then it also changes the thickness of the board, makes it thinner on successive passes going through. So it's an important step in milling your wood to make quality projects. If you liked the video, I hope you'll hit the like button, and we would appreciate your subscribing, and that way we can keep you tuned in on our future videos.